Look at this 2003 Ford F-150. Carfax has certified this F-150 as having one owner. This F-150 has just under 91,000 miles. This vehicle has a limited warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 14 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 18 on the highway. This F-150 boasts a 5.4-liter engine, and has a 4-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the solid paint, standard, 4-speed automatic transmission with Audi, with 99L engine, 5.4L, 330, Cephei OHC Triton engine, NA with 44M trans, with 0627 payload rec, 44E trans, with 627 payload rec, 44E trans, payload package number 1, solid paint, standard, power adjustable accelerator brake pedals, rec, 44U or 44E trans, chrome tubular running boards, NA with 99Z engine, 18E cab steps, late availability, electric. Shift on the fly transfer case, NA with 44M trans, manual sliding rear window, 4-speed automatic transmission with Audi, with 99L engine, XLT series order code, Class E trailer towing group, FX4 off-road equipment group, electronic MFM stereo radio with CD cassette player, 5.4L, 330, Cephei OHC Triton engine, NA with 44M trans, with 0627 payload rec, 44E trans, with 627 payload rec, 44E trans, cloth front 40/60 split bench seat. And the P235/70R16SL all-season SBRBSW tires, standard. Call 800-574-0279 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.